How to add emojis on iMovie. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add emojis in iMovie. Super easy and perfect for making your videos more fun and expressive. Let's get started. First, remember that this app is not available on Android device, so on your iOS device, click on search bar and open iMovie. After that, click on the project that you want to add emojis to. Now click on Edit. Now go to the Titles tab and drag any title style to your timeline. You can use any style depending on where you want to add emojis to appear. Click on the text box and delete the default text, and now just type your emoji. If you are on Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus Space to bring up the emoji keyboard. Now you can change the size, font or position of the emoji just like regular text. And that's it, your emoji is now added to your iMovie project. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.